Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Very nice Volkswagen Tiguan 2-litre TDI BlueMotion Tech R-Line DSG automatic Euro 6 4-wheel drive ULEZ compliant. 48,800 miles, £14,995. Now, great spec, including the cam belt being replaced by VW at 35,000 miles. 7 services, 2 owners from new. First one was a VW dealer and then 1 lady owner, so demo plus 1 lady owner. 48,000 miles, automatic. Wow, what a pretty car. Comes with black Vienna leather, 19-inch Mallory wheels, as you can see, aluminium roof rails, got cruise, got nav, got DAB, got Bluetooth, heated leather seats, privacy glass, front and rear park sensors, automatic. Beautiful. Look at those wheels, absolutely immaculate. Front park sensors, daytime LED running lights in the headlamps with the dots, very nice. Front fog lamps, as I say, aluminium roof rails. I think this is keyless start, it's probably keyless entry. Fitted mats, lovely black leather. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise, sat nav, DAB radio, heated seats, there's the buttons, self park, there's the button down there, automatic, electric handbrake, hill hold assist. Absolutely like new, this car, not a mark on it. Picnic tables in the back. Oh, didn't shut that door properly. So the rear park sensors down there, privacy glass, load cover, really clean in the boot area. Space saver spare wheel, can see the locking wheel nut key in there for the alloy wheels. Can't see any marks on the bodywork at all. What a pretty car. Wheels, absolutely not a mark on them. No curbing. Beautiful. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, flat bottom R-line steering wheel with cruise control. 48,827 miles. Got the sat nav on. Heated seat buttons are there. Comes with 2 keys, R-line embossed leather headrests, electric seats, no wear. Beautiful. Sorry, it's starting to rain. Keyless. £14,995, Euro 6, low mileage. Basically 1 lady owner. Drives like a new car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. You can thumb through those. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will be one of the first people in the country to know when we have a fresh vehicle coming to stock, because you will get a notification. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.